What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use the translate feature within Microsoft Excel. So let's just say you downloaded data from, for example, a government website that's in a language that you're not super familiar with. So in this example, I have downloaded population data from the Spanish government website, and I don't know Spanish super well, so I don't know exactly what this is saying. But fortunately, I can translate this to English within Excel. I'll do this, I highlight over the cell that I would want to translate, for example, go to View tab, and under the language grouping, I can click on Translate right here. So you can see after clicking on that, this little translator message will pop up. It will say from the language that it detects. Excel properly detected this as being Spanish, so I might want to have this be in a different language, because Excel might not pick up on the correct, version of Chinese, for example. And it will translate it to whatever language I want it to be. So, my computer defaults to being English, but let's just say I wanted a different language for whatever reason. I can click on a different language. And now I can just copy paste this into the cell, and that piece is in English. And kind of go on and so on and so forth. To as you can see, whenever I highlight over one of these cells, it kind of gets the language that it's in right now into the language that I want it to be in, and I can easily copy and paste this into different cells so I can kind of better understand what exactly is going on. So that said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.